everyone, it's VVS, your resident unicorn, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and give me a like. I'm coming to you guys today with the LOIs. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I said that. LOL Surprise Secret Diary Set. I found this on sale. As you can see, it was in our local Bills and I just had to have it. It was only $5 and it's so cute. Okay, we're going to be doing the unboxing of this today so I can show you everything that's in it, and I'll show you what each of the sides and everything looks like in the back. There's the back. So cute. I had to have this, you guys. Anything that's LOL Surprise, it catches my eye and I see it, and I am a stationery junkie. So anything that is a cute little journal or something, especially this one has a lock and key. Super cute. Okay, this set includes a diary with a lock and key, 60 sheets, pen, stamp pad, stamper, and 85 stickers. So a diary with a lock and keys with 60 sheets of paper in it, a pen, a stamp pad, a stamper, and 85 stickers. Okay, so let's go ahead and dig in. Let's look at this stuff up close. Like it should come straight out, right? There we go. I didn't want to tear the thing too much. I didn't want to tear the box too much, even though it doesn't really matter, but I didn't want to tear the box up too much. Okay, it's on a little here. Let's move the box out of the way. And let's open her up and look at this stuff closer. Oh, so cute, you guys. Oh, that's everything out. It's probably going to be easier when I flip it and turn everything. I took this to the beach when we went to the beach recently, so it's got some sand. I'm surprised it's got like some sand in it. Here are the stickers. Hello, goodbye, freestyling, born to rock, born to be bad. And we got more BFFs forever, born to rock. And we got the little babies on there and some food stickers. So cute. These are fun. I'm going to use these when I send stuff off to people. And this is the little stamp pad. It's pink, of course. And this is the stamper. It's BFFs forever. I'm put it in the light. BFFs forever. That's what the stamper is. And here is the diary with the lock and key on there. It's already unlocked so we can see what it looks like inside. Cool. Look, it's got a place for the date. And then you got a little, is it the same one on every page? Yep, it's the same baby on every page. Cute. It's like she's moving. Super cute, you guys. And that's what the diary looks like on the back. Look there. It's so cute. Rock. LOL Surprise. Of course, MGA Entertainment. LOLsurprise.com. MGAE.com. Yes. Love it. And I might come back and show you guys how the pen, oh, I forgot about the pen. Here's the pen. This is a really cute pen. And like I said, I am a sucker for stationery, and I pretty much collect different journals and different type pens. So I have, oh my gosh, you guys, if you saw all the pens I have, I'm just a collector. I collect things. It says rock the beat. Oh, okay. And it's pretty, it's a cute pen, and it seems like it'll write really good. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to show you how it writes, and I'm going to write in it and show you. But that's everything in there. Okay, you guys, hold on a second. Let me show you how this writes. Okay, you guys, I'm back and I have everything set up to show you how this pen writes so you can see, and I'm going to try to do the stamper. Hopefully this wasn't on sale because it had sat in there so long and the ink dried out, so hopefully the ink didn't dry out. But with the stamper, usually if the ink did dry out, all you have to do is like put a couple of drops of water on it and it'll bring it back, and let it sit and it should bring it back. But if it doesn't do that, I'm not going to do that right now, but that's probably what's going to happen. But okay, let's write something in here. Let's write something in our diary. What do you think, you guys, we should write? Should we write about what we're doing right now? What's today? Today is the 1st of August, 2019. And I'm just going to write some things. When I start my diaries in my journal, I usually call it a journal, but this one is a diary. So I'm going to say, Dear Diary for this one. And then I'm just going to write a couple of things. Ooh, this writes really good. I'm just going to write a couple of things on here so you can see how good it writes. I'm going to write my name in cursive first. Okay, it really, for it to be like just like with a kitty set, it writes really good. I'm really surprised. It writes really good. Let me do it in regular print. Okay. Coolsies. So that's how it writes. So I showed you guys how the L.O.L surprise diary writes. So you know, if you pick it up, that it writes really well. So you got you a really good pen. So at least you know that the pen writes pretty good. Okay, now let's try the stamper out. Let's see if this stamper works. Let's see, you guys. You guys, I collect, like I said, I collect a lot of things. So I have like crafting supplies too. And I have a lot of, ooh, it's full of ink. So this is going to work. Yeah, look at that. Best friends forever. Best friends forever. Yes. Look at that. Okay, so it works. Cool beans. So that's it for the L.O.L surprise diary set, you guys. I showed you how it worked, and the pen writes wonderfully. So if you want to pick that up, you can go pick it up. Thanks for watching, you guys. Go ahead and subscribe down below. Turn on your notifications and give me a like for this today. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.